A couple months ago, I bought a product that saved me a lot of money today and possibly in the future. It's basically a jump starter for your car battery, and this one is Noco brand by Canadian Tire. It's about 150 bucks, I think, and this is something that it allows you to boost your car or even charge your phone or whatever other devices you can use with a USB. Now, the great thing about this booster is the fact that obviously you're not paying to have someone come boost your vehicle, and you don't have to wait there in the freezing cold. So this pack comes with the USB that you plug directly into any phone charger adapter and plug that into the wall just to charge it up. Comes with the jumper cables, obviously, and the main part being the booster itself, and just a car adapter as well. So this is honestly even more simple than booster cables themselves. So what you do is you take this end, and it has a square and a circle side, and then you just match it up over here. It's a lot harder to do with one hand. And then you match it up, put it in there. So basically you're just plugging that directly in there. Open up your hood, and there's your battery. So you have your positive, which is the red, and the negative, which is the black. So all you're going to do is take your booster and attach these to it here. So you'll attach your positive to the positive and your negative to the negative there. Then all you'll do is simply turn it on, and you'll see it going through the cycles there, showing that it's giving some energy. If your battery's completely dead, it'll just be a solid color for a bit, just so it can get some juice in there, and then it'll continue to do this. After this, you just go turn your car on, and it'll turn on right away. So once your car is on and running, you can just go over here and turn the power back off. Unclip them. You don't have to worry, just like regular booster cables, about it sparking, because there's a system in this itself that'll prevent it from doing so. So like I said, investing in this $150, I think it was on sale, might be up to $180 Canadian. This definitely is something really useful. Not only will it save you money with the tow truck, or even if you have coverage, it'll save you all that time on the side of the road, which is obviously unsafe in the winter as well. So it'll give you that boost within about 20 seconds probably, and you'll be on your way. You won't have to worry about anything. Always just make sure you charge it again afterwards. There's enough to boost it numerous times, but it's better to be safe than sorry.